Good morning, my name is Denise. Welcome to Suncoast Crafting. Today we will look at the old new Mickey Mouse diamond painting kit I bought from, I'm going to say Gagmkxn. Yeah. Today we will look at the old new Mickey Mouse diamond painting kit I bought from Gagmkxn on Amazon in March 2025. The pattern. I bought 3 Mickey Mouse diamond painting kits from Amazon on March 3rd, 2025. This old new Mickey Mouse kit was delivered 3 days later on March 6th. It was $12.69 from Gagmkxn. It is 30 centimeters by 40 centimeters or 12 inches by 16 inches. This full round diamond painting has 23 colors and it does list the DMC colors. Let's diamond paint. Was this fun? Yes, this was fun. The old-fashioned black and white Mickey Mouse shakes hands with the modern, colorful Mickey Mouse. I love that the two Mickeys cheerfully greet each other and the picture seamlessly merges old and new. It didn't feel like there was too much confetti, although there are a lot of color changes in the sky. There's a balance between the black and white side and the color side so that creating the picture stays interesting. I don't normally frame my diamond paintings, but this one is a gift to a friend's mother. I found the 12 by 16 frame at home for $12.99. I had Michaels cut a new mat and add a backing and a hanger for $36. Michaels got it done a lot faster than they thought they would, and they called me right away to come pick it up. Thanks, Michaels, for doing a great job. This old new Mickey Mouse diamond painting was fun to do, and I look forward to giving it as a gift. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to working on more projects you are interested in. Please like and subscribe, and join us again for Suncoast Crafting.